Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm glad you're here. I wanted to do a quick follow-up to a video I did maybe a week or so ago, 2 weeks ago. I did a marble nail look with blossom/blooming gel, right? I'll leave the video up here on the cards if you want to check that one out, but I really wanted to do a very similar look using no gel whatsoever, so that's what we're going to do today. You may notice this video is a little bit choppy. I had a plan and then I didn't like my plan, so I had a different plan. So you're only going to see me do 2 nails. I'll explain as I go. So I am dipping into a white base. You can use any color base you want. I just find that colors tend to pop more over white. This is whipped cream bikini. Who's surprised? I'm going to do this. Then we're going to get right into the marble. Now you can do a marble look with whatever color you want, as many colors as you want. I kept it very simple in the blossom gel video. I only did one color, so I'm going to do that in this video. Wait till you see the color I'm going to use though. Oh my gosh, this came out so much cooler than I could have ever hoped for. We'll get there when we get there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my first dip. I'm going to dust off excess and then we're going to get right into marble. So I grabbed a cupcake liner. I'm just going to flatten out the sides so it's more malleable for me if I need to move stuff around. You can use one of those French manicure trays if you want, or a spoon, or whatever you have will work. I'm going to pour in a little bit of that white, same white that I used as the base for the marble. So I'm going to get this in here, and then I'm going to take my marbling color, and I'm using this color. This is Grace from the Miss Congeniality trio that Sassy Mouth and I put together. She is a thermal. I know she looks kind of gray in the jar, and as I'm sprinkling it linearly, as linear as I possibly can get it, into the white, but this is what it looks like when it's chilly. You're going to see it chilly, you're going to see it warm, you're going to see it cold. I'm going to show you all the things. So once I have it lined up in the cupcake liner, I'm going to go ahead with my orange wood stick and move it around a little bit. I really wanted to try and do like a horizontal linear marble look. You can swirl this however you feel is in your heart to swirl. You want to do swirly circles, do circles. You want to do vertical lines, do that. Whatever makes your heart happy. Once I have it where I want it, I'm going to apply my dip base again. I'm using ManiBoss dip liquids, by the way, and then I'm going to lay my finger gently into the part of the marble that I want on my nail. Now I made it so I can comfortably dip 2 nails into the one marble that I did in that cupcake liner. If you want to mix it up again for another nail, if you have longer nails than I do, you can totally do that. Keep in mind though that the more you add and mix, the more tonal your base will become. It won't be white anymore, right? Because it's eventually going to mix with the color you're mixing into it. So that you're going to want to consider. Some people consider this wasteful, and I get it, but I tend to save colors like this that I mix up and make my own sort of mix of randomness. So you can do that too. So this is what it's looking like so far. And you can leave it alone just like this if you want to. I did a second coat of this off camera. So the finished look you're gonna see is with 1 dip of clear. Nope, that's a lie. 1 dip of white, then 2 dips into the marble, and that's it. I didn't even clear encapsulate because this mani went on so smoothly. I barely had to do any filing. But if you wanted to clear cap, you totally could. I feel like when you're laying gently into dip like this or pouring over, the layers are thinner anyway. Plus, ManiBoss liquids are thin. These powders are super thin, so I didn't have an issue with thickness whatsoever, but that'll be up to your discretion depending on your nails, your length, your nail type, all that fun stuff. If you need to build up an apex on your nail, I'll leave a video for that up in the cards for you to check out. Great for those of you who have flatter nails or longer nails. So here's what this looks like in one coat. As mentioned, I am going to do a second coat off camera. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm sorry. As mentioned, I had a plan, and then the plan didn't work out, and then I had to come up with another plan, but I like the way this came out so much better. So here is what I wound up doing. I did 2 full coats of that marble, but watch this. Look at the thermal color shift. I just put on activator. I activated the other 3 nails that I did off camera, and the color shift from pink to gray, A, is so sensitive, B, so beautiful. I feel like these marble nails went from cute and classy to like badass in 2.2. I love the way this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate these 3 nails. I'm gonna go ahead and file and buff off camera. Per usual, I will leave my filing routine up in the cards and or / down in the box in case you want to see how I do my current filing routine. And then we're going to top coat. And then I'm going to show you all the shifty deliciousness here in a little bit. So here's the finished look. Absolutely, again, love the way these came out. This marble was super simple to do, and hey, no gel. I did use a gel top coat. You super do not have to. You can go in with your activator and your dip top if you want. I have very cold ice water, like so cold, and I'm gonna let that hang out for a minute just to show you what these look like with the thermal shift. Look how cool this looks. Can you even? Love with my whole entire heart. And after they warm up, they turn right back to pink, which I also love too. Did you guys know that the Hot Mess Marla cuticle oil scent is now available in a body butter? It is, in case you didn't know. It's also available in her body lotion too. Cream, lotion, you know, the slathery stuff. Any of the Hot Mess Marla scented things, any of them, proceeds, or part of the proceeds, I should say, for the month of July are being donated to the St. Jude Children's Hospital. So if you decide you want to pick some up, you'll actually be helping out a really great org. And if you do, I super appreciate you. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you have a day that's as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.